Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Pratyush. Just hold on, we'll start now.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
One moment, one moment. I'm just starting. Just hold on. Okay. Yes, now I can hear. Oh my God, today Prisha also has come.
Yes.
Very good. So we have Pratyush, we have Prisha, and the third one, what's your name? You have put your mom's name. No, I'm asking there's a third one. What's your name? Third one?
My name is Arpita Srivastav.
Arpita.
Yes.
Okay. So we have Pratyush, Prisha, and Arpita. Fine. So, okay. So for Prisha and Arpita, today is our third class. So,
Okay, sir.
nothing to worry because these classes are interlinked and they are based on spoken English. So, whenever you will start, it's okay. You can gain out of that. Right? So, because you have come for the first time, I will tell you about this class. This class is meant for students of class 1 to class 6, right? And in this class, apart from spoken English, you are also going to learn pronunciation, you will learn verb forms, you will learn dictation words, we will do some activities, and I will be sharing some good videos by which you can improve your spoken English. Fine. So it's going to be a very nice flow in which you will learn spoken English. So let's start. Uh, so what we have discussed in previous classes, we discussed one question, that is, who am I? Who am I is basically how to introduce yourself. You have to tell about yourself. What's your name and which class you study? What is your school's name? Your parents' name, and um, what else? Your hobby, what you want to be in your life. All these questions we handle in Who Am I? In our first class, we discussed about personality and we discussed about communication skills. What is the importance of communication skills? We also discussed that personality is having three parts, that is appearance, that is knowledge and communication, and third is behavior. We call it body, mind, soul. Right? So, what I will do, I will request that tomorrow is Sunday. So both Prisha and Arpita, you drop a message, tell me what time you are free. In that time, call me and I will brief you about what we have discussed in class 1 and class 2 so that you will be at par with everyone. Fine. 5 golden rules I believe I have given to Prisha also. Prisha, you have this 5 golden rules, right? When we were having our classes in last lockdown, we discussed about five
Yes,
golden
sir.
rules. Okay. Now, after who am I, we discussed who am I means my introduction. The second topic which we are going to discuss today is what I do daily. Morning to night, what all things I do. We should know how to tell our daily routine or our daily activities to someone. For example, if you see on the screen, we have different points. What time we get up, what time we have our lunch, what time we take bath, and then breakfast, reading books, combing hair, change my dress when we come back from school, we sleep, we play, uh, we take dinner, we get dressed, we wash our face, we make our bed, we watch television, go to school, go to bed, we do our homework, we brush our teeth, we take rest. So I have given you all jumbled points. From morning to night, we do all these activities.
Sir,
Fine.
in
Huh. Huh.
sir, before this words, there is a problem that in lunch place there is breakfast.
No. So I'm telling that I have given you a jumbled one. It's all jumbled one. Like comb my hair. उसके बाद lunch लिखा हुआ है वापस. So sleep के बाद play है. So it's all jumbled. It's not in a series. I have just shown you different points which you can use to tell about your daily activities that you also know. So any point which is new or which is something which you don't do. ऐसा कोई point है क्या जो आप नहीं करते हो उसमें से? Just check. We do all these activities, get up, lunch, bath or shower, breakfast, read a book, comb my hair, change my dress, sleep, play, lunch दो बार आ गया है, dinner, get dressed, wash my face, make my bed, watch television, go to school, go to bed, homework, brush my teeth, take rest. So maybe there are a few points which are not there. You can add more points also, because after a few slides, I will ask you to tell about your daily activity, right? So be ready with these points. You have to explain your daily routine or daily activity. Now we are coming to our next slide, which is verb forms. Now for Prisha and Arpita, verb forms are very important. अगर आपने पढ़ना शुरू किया होगा, so you will come to know that suppose there is a verb called go. Go मतलब जाना. Go का past क्या होता है? Prisha, can you tell me the past of go?
Gone.
No. Pratyush, past of go?
Went.
So हम go को बोलते हैं V1. याद रखने के लिए we call it V1. V verb का V1. Past को we say V2. Okay. And the third one is, which you told Prisha, gone, that is called past participle, V3. V1, V2, V3. Present, past and past participle. Okay. When we add ing in the verb, like going, G-O-I-N-G, we call it V4, just to remember, V4. And when we add S or ES, goes, that is called V5. तो याद रखने के लिए we have to remember present V1, past V2, past participle V3, ing V4, and with S or ES V5. So ing is easy. किसी भी verb में ing लगाना क्या है? It's easy. बहुत easy है. किसी भी verb में S और ES लगाना भी आसान है. Tough नहीं है. But to remember the past and past participle, थोड़ा सा tough है. Because sometimes what happens, generally we add ed, play, played. Easy है. But sometimes verb they take a different shape altogether. वो बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से V2 और V3 में जाते हैं. So we need to remember and revise our verb forms. Now what we discussed in our last class was fight, fought. We also discussed find, found, and we discussed lose, lost. Okay, so Prisha and Arpita, you know all these verb forms. ये आपको मालूम है. Prisha, what is the meaning of fight?
लड़ना.
Arpita, what is the meaning of find? What is the meaning of find?
सर खोजना.
खोजना और पाना को भी बोलते हैं, पाना भी बोलते हैं. आई फाइंड दिस, मैं मुझे ये मिला है. आई फाइंड. ओके. एंड अर्पिता, लूज.
खोना.
खोना. खोना या हारना, दोनों के लिए हम लूज यूज करते हैं. सो दिस वाज द वर्ब फॉर्म्स ऑफ लास्ट क्लास. फाइट, फॉट, फॉट, find, found, and lose, lost, lost. Now today we have 3: sell, marry, and shoot. So Pratish will tell me the past and past participle of sell.
What is the meaning of sell?
Sell मतलब क्या होता है प्रिशा?
बेचना.
बेचना. Okay, प्रत्युष.
Sell, sold, sold.
Very good. Correct हो गया. Now Prisha, marry.
Marry. Married. Married.
Very good. और marry का मतलब
शादी.
शादी करना. Okay. Third one is shoot. Arpita, shoot.
Shout.
No. Pratyush, shoot.
Shoot, shooted, shooted.
Prisha,
Shoot. Shooted. Shooted.
no. What is the meaning of shoot? Shoot का मतलब क्या होता है?
निशाना लगाना.
निशाना लगाना.
या तो किसी को गोली मारना या फिर
Yes.
फोटो खींचना,
Yes.
है ना. दोनों के लिए हम यूज करते हैं शूट. So shoot, shot, shot.
Shot.
Now if I will remember these V2 and V3 verb forms, तो क्या होगा? सेंटेंस बनाना मेरे लिए आसान हो जाएगा. शिकारी ने जानवर को गोली मारी. द हंटर शॉट द एनिमल. ठीक है, तो हमको मालूम था शॉट होता है, तो हमने इसको इस्तेमाल कर लिया. सो in every class we will learn these new verb forms. Nothing to worry. I will be sharing the PDF of these slides ताकि आप बाद में भी उसके हेल्प से आपके को रिवाइज आप कर सके. Now coming to our next slide, that is pronunciation. Very important. इंग्लिश में आपको सही pronunciation मालूम होना चाहिए,
Pronunciation.
है ना. Pronunciation. Today we have 4 words, and first one I am giving to Pratyush. क्या बोलेंगे?
Breakfast.
Okay. Prisha second. उसके नीचे.
Business.
अच्छा, business. ठीक है. अर्पिता next one.
Buffet.
Okay. Pratyush last.
Kumbh.
Okay. Now we'll check कि इसका actual pronunciation क्या है. The first one is breakfast. बहुत बार गलती से हम बोलते हैं breakfast. It's wrong. It's breakfast. Breakfast. आपको बार बार इसको रिवाइज करना है so that you will become
Breakfast.
breakfast. Breakfast. Next one is buffet. Buffet. टॉ का साउंड नहीं है. Buffet. Buffet. बुफे का मतलब क्या होता है? जहां पर हम खड़े होकर के प्लेट लेकर खुद से खाना सर्व करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड बुफे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बुफे काउंटर टू टेक सम फूड आइटम्स. बुफे. थर्ड वन इज बिजनेस. बिजनेस. बिजनेस मतलब
Business.
आपको देखो कि इसका स्पेलिंग कुछ अलग है, बट बोलते हैं इसको बिजनेस. एंड द लास्ट वन इज कोम. कोम.
Comb.
That's it. बॉ का साउंड नहीं है. There is no sound of बॉ. Comb. I am combing my hair. I am combing my hair.
Combing my hair.
So it's only comb. B is silent. Or there's one more thing which is important. Whenever M and B will come together, like D-U-M-B, dumb, बॉ नहीं आएगा. T-O-M-B, tum, बॉ नहीं आएगा. So whenever M and B will come together, B will be silent. Just to remember, keep in mind. Fine. So breakfast, buffet, business, and comb. Now coming to our next session, spoken English video, which I will send you on WhatsApp group, the link. You can watch whenever you are free, and you can implement those things in your life, because in Zoom I cannot play and show you the sound. Now coming to our classwork, and it is share your daily routine. So I'll start with Pratyush, then Prisha, and then Deepika. So Deepika, I'm telling, Arpita, sorry. So start, Pratyush, share your daily routine. You have all the points.
My Hello everyone. My name is Pratish Pranjal. I study in class 5 and now I am going to share my daily routine. Every day I woke up at 7 a.m. and go for brush my teeth, and after brushing my teeth I eat my breakfast at 8 a.m. and after eating my breakfast I go for study maths and Hindi, and after studying maths and Hindi I get break for my lunch, and uh, when I will eat my lunch I again study, but now I study Hindi and Hindi and GK, and after I study Hindi and GK, then my mother comes and cook dinner. Then I eat dinner at 9 p.m. and go for sleep at 10 p.m.
Thank you, Pratyush. Now time for Prisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Prisha Jalan. I study in class 3rd B. So today I'm going to share you my daily routine. So at 6 o'clock I wake up and go to my room for doing exercise. At 8 o'clock I just bath at 7:30 and brush my teeth. And then at 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock my class begins, online classes. Then to my 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock I had my breakfast. Then again I study for 1 hour. Then I got a break at 2 o'clock for my lunch. After that I study again for my tuition classes. After at 6 o'clock again I do a bit of exercise and drink my milk. And after that, that's my time to see television. I see television and eat my dinner with my family. And then at 10:30, I go to sleep. Thank you.
Thank you, Prisha. Now time for Arpita to share her daily routine.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Srivastava. I am I am studying in class 4th. I wake up at 7 o'clock, then I brush my teeth, then take breakfast at the 8:30. I join my class, and at 12 o'clock I take my lunch. My class is over at 2:30, then I take rest for or sleep. Then at 4 o'clock I wake up and play with my
Okay.
mom. And then I study, do my homeworks, and then at 8:30 I go to bed for sleep.
Okay. Thank you. Now, two things which we need to keep in mind First thing, all of you, whenever we share our daily routine, we always make sentence in simple present tense. I don't know आपने tense पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है, but simple present tense का मतलब क्या हो गया? I go, I eat, I sleep. कहीं कहीं पर आप लोगों ने past tense use कर दिया है, I got, I woke up. नहीं. Whenever you are sharing your daily routine, it will be always present tense. I eat, I wake up in the morning, I eat my breakfast, I go to my school, I study, I play, right? I sleep, I talk, I run, all present tense. First thing. Second thing, whenever you are telling that आप टीवी देखते हैं तो आप कभी नहीं बोलेंगे I see television. It will be always I watch television. हम टेलीविजन को हमेशा वॉच करते हैं. I watch television. ठीक है? That's it. Now you have second thing is I will count 60 seconds. And let me see in 60 seconds how many vegetables name you can write. And your time starts now. 60 seconds. Take your pen and paper and start writing name of vegetables. Let me see how many you can write in 60 seconds.
So may I start writing?
Yes, already time started.
Um,
Last 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Please tell me your number. Count how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Say 11.
11. Prisha.
Sir, 9.
9 is Arpita. Prisha is how many? Unmute and speak. Unmute and speak, Prisha.
9, sir.
Okay. So what you will do now, once the class is over, with the help of your mom or dad, you will get all these names checked. If there's any spelling mistake. अगर spelling mistake है तो आप check कर लेंगे. And also you will check कि क्या आपने कोई बहुत ही common, बहुत ही simple नाम आप भूल तो नहीं गए. Right? So basically this exercise was to check your sharpness of your brain, how fast you can write. So दो चीज check करना है आपको. First, spelling, and second, did you write all the names, all the common names, और कोई common name आपसे छूट गया. That's it, nothing else. Now we are going for dictation. Dictation means I will give you words and you have to write. So be ready with your pen and paper. Okay, ready? The first word
Yes,
is
sir.
question. Question. The first word is question. Prashn. Question. Prashn. Second is tasty. Swadisht. Tasty. Third is quiet. यानी कि शांत. Quiet. शांत. Fourth is wrong. गलत. Wrong. गलत. Fifth is explain. यानी किसी चीज के बारे में बताना. Explain करना. Explain. Sixth is academy. Academy matlab dance academy, music academy, that academy we are discussing. Next is vision. Vision matlab drishti, vision, vision, drishti. Next one is discipline, anushasan, discipline. Next is education, shiksha, education, shiksha. And the last one is reception, reception. शादी का रिसेप्शन या किसी होटल का या ऑफिस का रिसेप्शन, यानी स्वागत करने के लिए जो हमारा काउंटर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिसेप्शन. Now I will just repeat once again. You will check. Question, testy, quiet, wrong, explain, academy, vision, discipline, education and reception. Now time to check कि आपने इसमें कितना सही किया, कितना गलत किया. I am sharing you the screen. फटाफट चेक करके बताइए what is your score.
Sir, 9.
Okay, very good.
Sir, 9.
Very good, Arpita.
Sir, 9.
Excellent. All three of you, very good. Now, one more task for all of you. We have discussed 10 words. आप सब लोगों को, once the class is over and you have free time, you have to make sentences from these words. If I want to learn a word in a nice way, I have to learn the word, know the meaning, and make a sentence. So you have 10 words, make 10 sentences out of it. Fine. One more thing.
Fine, sir.
Because we are doing online classes, I cannot check you personally. I can't come there. So be honest. Whatever instructions I am giving, be honest and do it. Then only you will get the
Okay, sir.
maximum benefit. Fine. Now I'm coming to our next section, that is Life Beautiful. So I will send you the video of this section. I have the video. I will send you. You can check it and then we'll discuss. Now coming to the second last section of our class, that is activity. Now left hand side you have name of animals and right hand side you have name of their young ones. उनके बच्चों के नाम हैं. You have to match. Pratyush, cow.
Calf.
Prisha, goat.
Lamp.
Arpita, frog.
Deadpool.
Pratyush, sheep.
Sir, lamb.
And Prisha last, horse.
Horse, colt.
Very good. So एक ही गलती हुआ. I think
Frog,
Prisha
cat,
goat को lamb बोल दिया. Goat का kid होगा. Okay.
kid होगा.
So again, the next homework is going to be, I have told you 5 animals and the name of their young ones. आपको 5 और दूसरे जानवर का नाम ढूंढना है और उनके बच्चों के नाम भी आपको ढूंढ करके निकालना है. Fine. So you will remember 5 more animals and the name of their young ones. Now coming
Okay, sir.
to homework of last class is not applicable for Prisha and Arpita because they have come the first time. So it was collective noun we discussed. We discussed that follow the 5 golden rules and keep revising verb forms, pronunciation words, and dictation words. And was practice who am I with your family members. So Pratyush, have you discussed who am I with your mom?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And now what is the homework today? We'll discuss. Share the routine of your parents. Apna nahi. You have to share the routine of your parents. So you choose either
In
mom or
next class.
in the next class, I will ask you to share the routine of your parents. Either you choose mom or dad, any one of them. Second homework is young ones. What we have learned, young ones. आपको 5 और animals के young ones आपको याद करने हैं. Then follow 5 golden rules as usual. And then you have to revise verb forms. You have to revise pronunciation words. And we have learned 10 dictation words. You have to make sentences out of it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, that's it. So this is the total flow of our class. Arpita, Prisha and Pratyush, I will just take you through this. अपना जो 10th point है, that is our homework. सबसे last में हम homework करते हैं. 9th one is activity. We will do one activity in each and every class. 8th one is life beautiful video. So I will share the link. आपको ये videos देखना है. And you have to watch it. जब मैं एग्जाम लूंगा आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जाम, इन दैट एग्जाम आई विल आस्क यू अबाउट दीज वीडियोस. और तब आप बोलेंगे सर सॉरी सर मैंने वीडियोस नहीं देखा है, यू विल बी कॉट. सो वॉट एवर लिंक आई एम सेंडिंग, दोज ऑल आर यूट्यूब लिंक्स. यू हैव टू वॉच दोज वीडियोस एंड whenever you watch videos you have to find out उस वीडियो से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है, क्या सीखना है. Number 7 is dictation, which we have done. Number 6
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be our classwork, which we have done. Number 5 is going to be the spoken English video, which I will send you YouTube link and you have to watch it. And you have to use those tips and tricks in your life. Number 4 is going to be pronunciation. And then
Pronunciations.
number 3 is going to be verb forms. Number 2, we will discuss one module in each and every class. In first point, we'll discuss what we have learned in the last class, that is recap, and that is going to be the total flow of our class. 40 minutes, 3 classes in a week, and once I will complete 10 classes, I am going to take a test, online test. So what we will learn from class 1 to class 10, you are going to have the test of that. Clear hai? Now you
Yes, sir.
have any question, any doubts, you can ask.
Sir,
Tell me.
can you again repeat 5 golden rules?
So what I will do, Prisha, I will send you the soft copy of 5 golden rules. The moment you will
Okay,
see
sir.
it, you will understand कि इसको कैसे
Okay,
हमको
sir.
follow करना है, right? So start following 5 golden rules once again.
Okay,
Pratyush,
sir.
any question, Pratyush?
No, sir.
One more thing I will request all of you, please make a notebook for what you are discussing and learning in this class, so that all learnings will be at
Sir, I have
one place.
made.
Excellent. I will request others also. Arpita, any question? Arpita, you have any doubt, any question to ask? No?
No, sir.
Okay. So Prisha and Arpita, you will drop a message to me and I will give you a time, and tomorrow we will talk about day 1 and day 2, so that when we'll go for day 4, you will be fully ready with your past, you can see क्या बोलते हैं उसको, pending works. You will finish all your pending classes and you will be at par with the class. Right? So,
Okay, sir.
Right.
so that's it for today. We are going to meet again on Pratyush, which day we will meet?
Sir, Tuesday.
Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Tuesday.
Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Sir,
Bye bye.
not on 12 p.m.
No, not on 12 p.m. Now it will be only at 7 p.m. Fine. So bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Stay home. Stay safe. Take care and good night.
Good
Bye,
night,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Bye, sir.